All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a new men's health formula that's been getting a lot of attention. It's called ErecPower. We're going to break down what's in it, the science behind it, and most importantly, what real users are actually saying. So, let's get started. So let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your energy levels just aren't what they used to be? Or maybe you're dealing with things like thinning hair or struggling to manage your weight. A lot of guys think these are all separate problems, but what if they weren't? What if they all pointed back to one single underlying cause? Well, it turns out some fascinating new science is suggesting just that. There's been a breakthrough that might just reveal the real root cause behind many of these performance and intimacy challenges. And it all comes down to a specific and kind of hidden system in your body. And that hidden system is called the endothelium. Now, I know, it's not exactly a household name like your heart or your lungs, but believe me, the latest research shows it plays a massive role in a man's vitality. So what on earth is it? The easiest way to think of the endothelium is like the master control system for your entire network of blood vessels. It's this super thin layer of cells that manages all the crucial enzymes responsible for healthy blood flow and even helps balance your testosterone. When it's healthy, you're in good shape. To really get it, you need to know about two key players in the system. On one side, you have cGMP. Think of this as the good guy enzyme. It's the one that helps everything relax and promotes that healthy, robust blood flow. But on the other side, you've got this other enzyme, PDE5. It's the performance inhibitor. Its job is to break down the good guy, cGMP. The problem is, things like environmental toxins can cause PDE5 to build up, throwing the whole system out of whack and hurting your circulation. So that leads to the big question, right? How do you support your body and tip the scales back in favor of the good guy, cGMP? Well, this is exactly where ErecPower claims to step in. Let's take a look at their solution. Okay, so what's the deal with ErecPower? The company makes a few things really clear. First, it's an all-natural, plant-based formula. That means no weird stimulants or genetically modified stuff. It's also super easy to use, and this is a big one for a lot of people. It's made right here in the USA in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. So what's the secret sauce? Let's pull back the curtain and see what's actually packed inside this formula. It's a carefully selected blend of 8 key natural ingredients, all designed to work together. First up, we've got hawthorn berry. This one is a classic, known for centuries to help support good circulation. Its main job in this formula is to give that all-important endothelium the support it needs to function properly. Next on the list is tribulus. This powerhouse ingredient is in here to help heighten your vitality by supporting nitric oxide production, which is absolutely essential for healthy blood flow. Now, these next two work like a team. You've got chrysin, which acts like a shield, protecting your body from oxidative stress. And it's paired with epimedium, which has been used for ages to help, you guessed it, support healthy blood flow. And this next pair is all about hormonal support. Saw palmetto is a really well-known ingredient for supporting prostate health and healthy T production. And it's combined with tongkat ali, which is included specifically to help your body maintain those healthy testosterone levels. And rounding out the formula, we have winged tribene and magnesium. The winged tribene is in there to help enhance your natural stamina, while magnesium, a mineral so many of us are deficient in, plays a huge role in keeping your arteries and capillaries nice and flexible. Okay, so the science sounds interesting, the ingredients look solid, but that's only half the story, right? The real question is, does it actually work? Let's take a look at what real guys who have used it are saying. Check this out. This is from Tom Stevenson in New York. He says, "The flame of my marriage has rekindled. I feel like I'm back in my 20s. I mean, wow." He says he and his wife are enjoying the best time of their lives. That's a pretty life-changing result. And you know what? Tom is definitely not alone. The company's website shows they have over 19,000 customer reviews. That's a lot of feedback, and it really shows you how many people are using this stuff. Here's another one. This is from James Richards out in Wyoming. He says, "I regained my confidence in a way that I didn't think was possible anymore." He also mentions having more energy and just feeling better overall. And that really speaks to how these physical changes can have a huge impact on your mindset too. All right, so if any of this is resonating with you and you're thinking, maybe I should give this a try, let's quickly go over the different options they have on their official website. They've got 3 different packages. You can grab one bottle, a 30-day supply, for $89 plus a small shipping fee. But where you really start to save is with the bigger packages. The 3-bottle supply drops the price to $69 a bottle, and the 6-bottle option, which is their most popular, gets it all the way down to just $49 a bottle, and they both come with free shipping. Honestly, since the best results are said to come with consistent use over time, the bigger packages make a lot of sense. And here's the best part, something that should really give you peace of mind. Every single order, it doesn't matter which package you choose, is protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can try it out for a full 2 months, and if you're not totally thrilled with the results, you can get a full refund. It's completely risk-free.
So there you have it, our complete breakdown of ErecPower. If this sounds like the solution you've been looking for and you want to learn more, or if you're ready to claim your discounted supply, all you have to do is click the official link right there in the description below this video. Thanks for tuning in.